Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel MPC. Today we are going to learn to make a simple Python program in which we can make any type of multiplication table. So the first step in making this is to select the language we are going to be using. In this case, we are going to be using Python. So after picking Python, we'll write some simple codes like first setting up a variable named number. This number variable will help us to get the number or the input from the user. So to set up the number variable, we first have to write number then is equal to, then we have to put int slash input slash please enter the digit you want to multiply, because using this the user can verify that we are asking them to get the number we are trying to use to multiply the following equations. After this, we are going to set up another variable named as I. This I variable will help us to chain any type of reactions, meaning with the use of I, we can calculate the how much multiplication table we will need to multiply. So for the I variable, we are going to use the commands for in range. So for I in range, then we will put the range which we will need to multiply. So in this case, I have given 1 to 21, which will mean that the calculation will go from 1 to 20 numbers. So after this, we are going to write another command named as print. As I said before, the print command is used to print anything on the terminal or console. So in this case, we will write f, which will make us able to write any type of variables in our code directly. So we will write f double inverted commas, then we will write that this number into I. So that will mean that it will show up as, in curly brackets we have to write number and I. So as you can see here, I have written number in curly brackets, so it will show up as the number itself and not the variable name. And then in outside the curly bracket we have written x will detonate as the multiplication sign in Python. Then after that we have written again in curly bracket and written I there, which will make us able to select I in range. So that's why we have given for I in range. This command allows us exactly to point out the range in the object or variable. So as we have given in curly bracket I, we can change the range in the console. So after writing this, we'll write something else, meaning we'll write curly brackets again in number into I. This will actually mean that number is multiplied by I in range. After finishing this, we can just save the program and run it. After running the program, as we can see here, it will prompt us that what is the number you want to multiply, since that is what we have written. Then after we enter the number, it will just give us the multiplication table of that number from 1 to 20. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please consider to like and subscribe if you have managed to learn anything from this video.